Hey guys, welcome back to our quick video. There's some of the crap from there. So this has literally just arrived on my doorstep. Hopefully it's what I think it is, otherwise it'll be quite an embarrassing unboxing. So it is. Here we go guys. This is the unboxing of the MiSTer FPGA, also known as the Taki MiSTer Clone. MiSTer FPGA, there being my original D10 Nano in the stack configuration. So I know what I'm talking about when I say this is going to be just a quick unboxing of this. So I believe this is a 2 meter A to C USB. Oh no, it's a C to C. I thought Taki said it was A to C. Oh, that's fine. 2 meters. Standoffs. The 128 SD RAM. Dual Bluetooth adapter. This is the little case thing. Not even a case. It's the I/O board with the fan hat. So, oh Jesus, these boxes are well made. There's the I/O board. There. That's the MiSTer Pi itself. That's a, what's this? Wi-Fi dongle. Perfecto. Not sure what that was. So this is the other board. Yeah, it's the USB board. Again, it connects like that. So that board is a version of this board. No barrel jacks. And so the box. Best to last. An ESD bag. Here's the beast itself. Here's the MiSTer Pi. So this is just a quick unboxing. This is pretty quick. Let's see. So they're currently out of stock. Batch 2 is hopefully coming in November. This was the second part of the first batch. I was able to get one, so there it's there. There's the Magic FPGA. I/O. Taki's video, which I'll link below, is probably way more in depth on this and what it is. I will be doing some comparison videos eventually with my actual original FPGA. I have been printing the files for a case for this. Again, Taki put them up. Apparently, however, since I'm batch 1, I will get the option to buy a case just with postage from China. So let's see, what did I pay for this? In fact, we'll come back to that later. This is just an unboxing. So that's what you get in the MiSTer Pi from Taki, or R2, whatever you want to call it. That was the mega pack. So that's the full kit, basically the full stack, as people in MiSTer terms would call it. Thanks for watching. See you shortly. Bye.